Officers from the Jersey County Sheriff's Office in Illinois respond to a routine traffic crash report. What the officers don't know is they're about to be subject to a hoax, sparking a larger investigation that turns this into anything but routine.
There is a gun in this vehicle.
Okay.
Can I get it for you?
I'll hop out. I'll get it.
Okay. It's in the middle console.
Middle console? Okay.
Yep, and there is a loaded shell in there too.
Okay. Are you okay?
I am fine.
Were you with her?
Yes, he was in the passenger seat. We were arguing and I ran into the bridge. It's my bad.
You said you were what?
I was drunk.
Okay.
I ran into the bridge. We were arguing. It's my bad.
Okay. How much you had to drink?
Probably 2 beers and 3 shots.
Okay.
It's
Come
my
on
bad.
back here. You said you had 2 beers, 3 shots? So you want to take a couple tests?
I don't really. I'd rather just have a blood test. That's okay.
Okay. Do you want to take a PBT here? A preliminary breath test? It's up to you. I'm just going to ask you, the tests will just determine whether, you're good.
I don't want to lose my license. I know I fucked up.
Not all right. He's got a job to do, Kyle. We all have jobs to do, brother.
I don't know. I've never done this before.
Okay. Well, it's up to you.
Come on.
Kyle, stop!
We got jobs to do, Kyle. It's part of it.
Hey,
All right?
it's their job.
My
Fine.
truck is destroyed.
Because of me. It's fine.
You guys think that you were worried about your job?
Kyle, we have
Stop.
a job to do. You wrecked. She admits that she's been drinking. She says she's drunk.
You need medical
Fine.
attention for your knee.
Can you just have
No. Can I just go for a blood test?
That's up to you. You don't want to take a preliminary breath test or you want to do any of the tests?
Well, I am very uncoordinated, so there's no way that I
What
will
about
ever
eye test? Can you
Eye test?
Yeah, you just follow finger with my...
Can I take my shoes off?
You're just going to stand there. Yeah.
I am very uncoordinated.
Do you want to go to jail for obstructing?
Absolutely. No. Stop, Kyle.
Because that's about where you're going to.
Kyle, stop.
Absolutely.
Kyle, stop.
Move on down the road, please. Move on down the road for me, okay?
Justin,
Kyle,
should I go to
You're gonna-
jail
you're gonna go to
for
jail.
Kyle,
obstruction
okay.
for my
stop.
wife?
so what we're
Kyle,
going to do is you're either going
honey,
to have to
please
calm down or we'll
stop.
put you in the back of a car, okay?
Well, but there's two
Oh my
things.
God.
Okay.
Kyle, stop.
You tell him one.
Well, he's not going to tell me I'm in charge.
I don't care what
Kyle.
you are, brother.
Kyle!
I love you.
I understand that, Kyle.
Stop. Stop disrespecting my wife.
I'm not disrespecting. I'm treating her very nicely.
Stop.
Sarge, come back here for a minute.
Give me just a second.
This gentleman, one of these gentlemen said he was driving. He was behind the wheel whenever he got here. But I don't know if he pulled it off the bridge.
Okay.
That's what Sally's getting information.
She's sitting in the driver's seat. She's willing to take a hit for it. So.
In this newly discovered detail regarding who was actually driving would later completely change the direction of the case. For the time being, the officer proceeds with the horizontal gaze nestimus test, which evaluates involuntary eye movement.
You're going to stand there with your hands at your side, feet together, and just follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't move your head. Just
Oh, sorry.
Just your eyes.
Damn it. Stop with my wife.
Have you smoked any marijuana?
Oh, God, no.
Okay.
He's being very respectful, Kyle.
Yes, sir, he is.
Okay. He has a job to do. He's got to conduct some tests. That's what he's doing.
You don't want to take any of the other tests? The walk and turn or the one leg stand?
I am not coordinated enough for
Okay.
that.
And then what about a preliminary breath test? It's not admissible in court. It just kind of helps you better judge where you're at.
I can't breathe very well anyway.
So here's what's going to happen. You're going to be placed under arrest for DUI right now.
That's fine.
Okay? You're being cooperative, and I'm not even going to cuff you. I'm just going to have you have a seat in the back seat of the car, and then we're going to go from there, okay?
Okay.
Let's go back here.
Is there any way I could have a little puff of cigarette before I could?
Yeah, if you want to smoke a cigarette, yeah. You don't have anything on you, do you? Nothing in your
no.
pockets? Okay.
No. You want to? Here.
Let's make sure you ain't got no weapons or nothing.
God, no.
Damn it, dude.
Kyle, stop.
That's
What do you
not right.
What do you want me to do?
Are you serious? Do you have any idea how many times that I have stood up for both of you?
Honey,
Both of you.
stop your shit. Walk up and get a f***ing ride.
I love you. Come on, man. Why? Why?
Because she's admitting she's been drinking. She said that she's intoxicated.
We've all been drinking.
Hey,
Have we all been drinking,
But
brother?
I fucked up.
We've all been drinking.
but the truck's
Kyle.
wrecked.
Kyle,
Sure.
I fucked up. Hey,
Do you think we
why
did
don't-
it on purpose?
No, I know you didn't.
I f***ed up. It's fine.
Stop.
No, do not
Do me a
offend the
favor.
officer.
She was not in the vehicle, and then he got out, walked into the woods, went to the bathroom, came back, his pants were all undone, and she come out of nowhere.
What do you want me to do? Everything's on body camera. It's not like you can hide anything.
Are you gonna arrest my wife?
Yeah,
Take
I am.
Seriously?
I'm gonna get your purse.
Seriously?
Yes, I'm gonna arrest your wife.
Are you fucking kidding me, Jones?
Hey,
Are you fucking kidding me, Jones?
Kyle,
Are you fucking kidding me?
stop. Calm him down and take him home. No.
You're just
Decker,
gonna,
this
I'm gonna
is
tell
not
you-
cool.
Well, this is how it's going to go.
No, this is how it's gonna go.
This is how it's going.
No,
Okay.
this is not how it's gonna
Listen
go.
to me. Right now, this is a bad situation, but you're going to wake up tomorrow and you're going to realize it's not as bad as it can be. Nobody's hurt. Your truck's tore up and she's getting arrested for DUI. That's the way it's going to go.
Really?
You'll realize it wasn't that
Do
bad.
you remember whenever you used to trace me
4976.
as a child? As a fucking child.
I'm going to tell you
Kyle,
what, you put your
no.
hands on me and you're going
No,
to jail.
I'm not putting
Then back
my
out of
hands
my
on-
personal space right
I'm
now.
not putting my hands on you.
Get out of my personal space right
Justin,
now. I'm not going to
Kyle,
ask you
get
again.
back.
Justin,
Get out
what
of
I
my
said-
face.
Kyle,
Get
back
out of my
saying-
face.
Hey, you used to do
Kyle,
that.
get out of my face. I'm not going to ask you again.
Or what?
You're
Or
going
what?
to jail. You're not going to intimidate me and
Kyle,
assault
stop
me.
doing it. Stop.
Ridiculous.
Just stop. Kyle, stop.
Why?
Quit resisting.
Stop.
What did I
This is
do?
so stupid. Stop.
What did I do?
You're not going to get in my
Think,
face.
Kyle.
What did I do?
Told you twice, 3 times to get out of my face.
I did not do any of that.
You're not going to get in my face.
What did I do?
What did I ask you to do, Kyle?
Justin.
What did I ask you to do, sir? To get out of my face.
Justin,
Give us your arm.
Kyle, give me your arm.
The other arm.
Justin, what the dude?
Taser deployed 2 times. The other subject in custody.
I got probe on me, I think.
I got tased.
Did you get hit?
I think. I don't know. Well, Kyle, I absolutely gave you every opportunity to get out of my face.
You didn't mean to be in your face.
Well, you were, and I asked you 3 times. Get off me.
I told you, walk away. Decker told you, walk away. Sally told you, walk away.
Didn't have to go like this.
Justin, you tried to assault me when I was a child.
We're past that. Okay, we're not doing this. Okay.
You assaulted me as a child.
Following a detailed investigation and interviews with several witnesses, officers gathered enough evidence to believe that Kyle was the driver and that his wife accepted the blame to protect him. 2 days after the crash, officers attempted to get both Kyle and his wife to admit the truth.
Starting this.
I know why I'm here. Yes, I'm not.
So the law says if I want to talk to you and ask you questions, which I do right now, and you're in custody, I have to advise you of your rights, make sure you understand what those rights are and talk to you. And I'm always a straight shooter. I'm going to straight shoot you. You were the one driving the other night. Don't say anything till because I want to be able to talk to you about it, okay? And I'm going to ask you to be straight and honest with me about it. Reason I know that is I now have 3 signed statements of people that saw you, and I'm about to go talk to your wife, and she's going to tell me the truth because I know she won't lie to me, nor do I expect you to lie to me either. You're getting out of here. I'm going to let you post bond, but we're going to finish up the investigation. At this stage, I can't get blood from you to know that you were intoxicated, okay? But what the worst part of it is what you guys did is committed an obstruction, which is yet another damn charge. Okay. Now I expect when I talk to Courtney that she's going to take the blame for this somehow. I expect you guys got worried and got scared about what would happen to you if you got another DUI. But bro, 2 wrongs don't make a right. They don't. And it's not how you guys are made. You're not people that are going to lie to the police. You're not a person who's going to resist the police. You and me and you're talking straight man to man here, and I haven't Mirandized you yet, which means I can't ask you questions. I'm not going to unless you really want to talk to me. You've got to pull your head out of your ass, and you've got to slow your drinking, and you've got to get your head together, and so does she, because this is not the people you are.
It's already done. I promise you that.
Okay. Well, I'm going to be pulling for you, and we'll do what we can to help you with that because you're good, decent members of the community. And you got a business and your respect for that and all that kind of stuff. What I'd like to do is talk to you and ask you to be straight about what actually happened In order to do that, I have to go through this Miranda form. If you're willing to talk to me. If you're not, that's fine too.
If possible, like my wife and I to have an attorney present, if that's
Okay.
that's fine.
Written after failing to get a confession from Kyle. Officers shifted their focus and spoke directly with his wife, Courtney.
To get you to tell me the truth, I'm going to give you one chance. I got a witness in the front lobby, and I've got another one making a statement. I know that you're wanting to protect your husband and his job and his CDL and all the other things go with it, but you taking a DUI is not the way to do that. If you let the hole get deeper and deeper, it's going to get deeper and deeper. And you weren't even there. Why in God's name would you take a DUI? That's crazy. What are you doing? The potential charge, I'll have to look at it. It's an obstruction charge for filing a false police report. He's already got 2 felonies, so I'm not going to allow you to take a DUI conviction when you weren't freaking driving. Although I expect you drove down there to save his ass in your Jeep, am I right?
That's my Jeep.
Did somebody bring you or did you drive?
I did not drive.
Okay, that's good. Then we don't even have to worry about that either. You guys just panic? Is that what happened?
Yeah, I panicked.
Yeah. And we won't put any charges today. We'll investigate and see where it goes from there. You need to quit taking lumps for him. Did he ask you to get in the truck or did you? Okay. You got in the driver's side?
Yeah.
Always trying to protect him, aren't you? It's just better to get it out in the open, be straight about it now. I appreciate you being honest with me when I pressed you.
Courtney later provided officers with a full account of the events. She explained that both she and Kyle had been drinking at a bar earlier that night. When they left, Kyle was driving and Courtney was in the passenger seat. Due to Kyle's erratic driving, Courtney asked to take over, but he refused. Eventually, Courtney got out of the vehicle and began walking away. Kyle drove off, and Courtney's mother later picked her up. After learning about Kyle's crash, Courtney's mother drove her back to the scene. Courtney then moved Kyle out of the driver's seat and placed herself behind the wheel before officers arrived. She accepted responsibility for the incident. As shown in the body camera footage, Courtney was initially charged with driving under the influence, failure to reduce speed, and improper lane usage. Kyle was charged with obstructing a peace officer, aggravated assault, and resisting an officer, resulting in injury. These were the original charges, and it is likely the DUI and traffic violations were later reassigned to Kyle, with both parties possibly facing obstruction charges. As always, all individuals are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Why does love make people do stupid things? Not romantic, just stupid. The moment you lie to protect your spouse, you stop being a partner and start being part of the investigation. Cops don't arrest intentions, they arrest interference. Emotion took the wheel here because she immediately starts confessing how much she drank. And that's not honesty, that's strategy. She tried to absorb the damage and shield her husband, but the street does not reward sacrifice, it punishes false narratives. And that's what happens when standing up for your wife turns into standing in the way. Because love didn't get him arrested, disregarding commands did. And she tried to do everything for him except tell him the truth that he needed to hear.